Hello. In this video, we intend to withdraw the amount we deposited into the ExpertOption broker account using Skrill. We enter the Finance section and select the Withdrawal option. In this section, we choose Skrill. We select the amount we intend to withdraw based on the available amount. In this section, we enter the email address associated with our Skrill account. After entering the email address, we click on the New Request option. As you can see, the request has been successfully registered, and you must wait for the broker to review the request and deposit the amount into your Skrill account. You can also view the status of the Skrill payment in the Payment History section. It is in the new status, and when it changes to Be Paid, the amount has been transferred to the Skrill account. It is also stated that 2 business days are needed to process this request. The withdrawal through Skrill was completed on the same business day, and the status changed from new to paid, with the amount transferred to the Skrill account used for the deposit. Good luck.